Okay, let's look at homework question 2F, and that's on page 17 of your books. And here is question 2F. In how many ways can the letters of each word be arranged? And 2F is Mississauga. So the first thing we have to do is analyze the letters. So there's a lot of repetition happening here. So Mississauga. So let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We don't have to worry about that. 11 letters in total. Okay. Now we have one M. Got it. We have two I's. We have that. We have four S's, so I've accounted for that. Two A's, one U, one G. So that's 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So all my letters are accounted for. So the number of ways to arrange them is number of ways to arrange is equal to 11 factorial, and now we have to divide by what's the same. So we have 2 Y's, 4 S's, and 2 A's. How's that? And we'll just plug it into our calculator. So we have 11 factorial divided by open bracket 2 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial, close bracket, and that equals 415,800. Is that okay? Well, what did you get? Okay, so I guess the answer probably a typo. Okay. Were there any other homework questions? Number 13? Did someone have something else? 13 and 15? Okay, so let's look at 13. Here's 13. In how many ways can the letters of the word section be arranged if the consonants must always be in the order in which they occur in the word itself? So, okay, so let's look at this. Section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So we have 7 letters, right, to worry about. Now, the thing is, they always want the S to be before C, before T, and before N, right? They always want it in that order, and then the vowels can be wherever. So as long as they're in that order, so for example, another arrangement that would be acceptable in this question is S, E, C, T, I, O, N. Oh, that's the original word. But do you see, they always want S to be before C, before T, before N. So what we want to do is cancel out the ordering, right? Okay, so you treat the consonants as if they are the same. Okay? Because we don't want to interchange these letters. So we're going to have 7 factorial over 4 factorial because there's 4 consonants, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then we get our answer. Does anyone want me to explain that any better? Because it's a difficult concept. We get 210. Okay. The other question was 15. In how many ways can 12 basketball players be assigned to 6 double rooms? Okay, so here's the question, number 15. In how many ways can 12 basketball players be assigned to 6 double rooms, then 4 double rooms? Okay, so we have 12 players, and we have 2 people in a room. That's for part A, is 2 people in a room. Okay? So if we put 2 people in a room, do we care what order they go in a room? Do we care if Bob goes in before Henry or Henry before Bob? No, we don't care. So we're going to cancel their order or divide out their order. Okay, so we have 12 players. We have 2 people in one room, 2 people in another, 2 in another, 2 in another, 2 in another, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, we're going to need another 12 for 12 players in total. So if we were to work that out, we would get 12 factorial divided by 2 factorial 6 times. I get 7, 4, 8, 4, 400. I get 7,484,400. Is that the answer, 15A? Yeah. Okay. Now, if there are now 3 people in a room, I don't care about their order either, right? I don't care about what order they go into a room. So it's 12 factorial over 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So if I were to work that out, I would get 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial 4 times. I get 369,600. 369,600. Is that right? Sorry? Is it a different answer in the book? 15. Oh, there's no answer for that one, but I think that looks just about right. Are there any other homework questions before we start the lesson? Sorry? For number 3? So do you want me to do number 3? List all 5-digit numbers. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3. List all 5-digit numbers that can be formed by using 2 4s and 3 6s. So we have 4, 4, 6, 6, 6. Okay, so you have 5 numbers in total, and divide by what's the same? Oh, that should be 3 factorial. So when I do that one, I get 5 factorial divided by open bracket 2 factorial times 3 factorial close bracket. I get 10. Is that okay? Anything else before I move on with the lesson?